Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some free money. Well, it's not free, but it's snow plowing. Snow falling from the sky is free money for you if you are a contractor or thinking of becoming a contractor. You could start out as small as having a one truck operation and grow it to however your business might take off in the future. Don't be scared to try, because with the snow plowing, snow is a nuisance. It needs to be cleared in a timely manner. Some people just don't want to be bothered with it, and then elderly people, they have no choice but to hire out because they can't do it themselves anymore. So I'll answer all questions. You might even have a pickup truck already or a small SUV that's four-wheel drive. They do make plows for all types of vehicles nowadays, even four-wheelers. I answer all questions. I'll show you how to make money, how much to charge, what equipment to stay away from, what equipment I would advise. Check me out. I go live Monday through Friday on YouTube around 11 a.m. Eastern, doing my grass cutting business. Jump in the chat. If you got any questions, feel free to ask or leave a comment down below. So don't forget, don't miss out on free money. Snow falling from the sky equals free money, and it'll pay your bills, and who knows what it'll do for you. It can make you lots of money or little money. So don't be, don't be scared to try it out. I was just like you, watching in the beginning. And now I'm a business, been doing it since 1993. Back then we didn't have YouTube. It was all just a lot of trial and error. So thanks for checking me out. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to leave a comment if you got any questions, and I'll get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you for checking me out. Have a good day.